when your 9-year-old son is working a full-size excavator, Komatsu PC 120-6, 85 horsepower. He's trenching for us today. Tremendous focus, concentration.
It's okay if I'm left-handed. I'm left-handed.
Not a mini excavator. That's how big this bucket is. I mean, this thing is huge. Not a mini. Quiet. You guys be quiet. Quiet. Coco, come here. Charlie, come here. Hey. Hey, shut up. Charlie. Hey, come here. Charlie, come here. Hey. Charlie. Charlie, come here. Come here. You be good. You stop it. Hey. Cut it out. Charlie, cut it out. Kenzo, you still have dirt in the bucket, so you need to dump the dirt on the dirt pile, okay? If the dirt is stuck in the bucket, what you do is you shake the bucket, okay? Move the bucket over there, and then shake it like back and forth, back and forth. Yeah. Or, not that stick, that hand, go like this sideways, like really fast. More strong, like this. Yeah, like that, and that'll dump it. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay. Keep going. You have lots of work to do. Okay, stop. When you do like this, the excavator tries to take too much dirt. So curl the bucket now a little bit. Curl it. More, 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 more. Charlie, shut up. More. Okay, put it down. Down. Okay, stop. Curl it more. Oh, stop. Okay, with your right hand, pull backwards. Okay, stop. With your left hand, pull backwards. Left hand, pull backwards. Left hand, pull backwards. Okay. More. More. Okay, right hand, pull backwards. So you're going to do your left hand and your right hand together. Backwards, 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 backwards. Yeah, now curl it. Stop. Curl it. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Hey, Coco, come here. Hey. Get over here. Charlie, get over here.